This video is a review of the properties or characteristics of life. Biology is a scientific study of life, and the properties of something that's alive or living, or characteristics as we sometimes call them, include order, regulation, growth and development, energy processing, reproduction, and evolution. The first, which is ordered, is seen here with the little pine cone, and you can see that the pine cone shows you order in that the little scales are ordered in a very symmetrical arrangement, spiraling around the pine cone. This is a complex structure, but still it has order. The next characteristic of life is regulation. This is the way that the lizard is able to regulate its own body temperature. It puts itself in the sun so that it can warm up, and by warming up, it's able to be more active so it can catch food better, which is usually an insect or so. And it also allows the lizard to escape predators a little bit better too. The lizard is a cold-blooded organism, so it really cannot produce internal temperature. It's at the mercy of the temperature on outside of its body. And so by putting itself in the sun, it would warm up. If it's too hot, it will have to find shade. You are a warm-blooded or endothermic organism. How do you regulate your body temperature? Growth and development. Here we see a baby ostrich hatching. Growth is the increase in size, and development are the changes that occur as a living organism grows to its adult stage. Both growth and development are due to the instructions that DNA contains. Where are you in your growth and development? Energy processing. In order to live, every organism needs to obtain and use energy. This is called energy processing. The puffin, which is a type of seabird, has a mouthful of fish. It will eat the fish to get energy. Energy is found in the fish. The fish have been eating things in the ocean, which also has energy. And so all this energy is locked up in what we eat. The puffin also used energy to catch the fish. Response to the environment. This insect will trigger the trap of the Venus flytrap. The Venus flytrap is a plant, but it also shows a response. When it's triggered, the trap will close on the insect. Here we see a happy hippo family. Reproduction is the making of offspring of one's own kind. In a single-celled organism, making an offspring could be as simple as dividing a single cell. That single cell then will divide into two cells. Each cell then is each cell is a living organism. This is sometimes called asexual reproduction. Sometimes an organism releases a special cell to be fused with another special cell from another similar organism. This cell, once it's fertilized, as we call it, grows into a multicellular organism. This is called sexual reproduction. And evolution. Evolution is the changing of organisms over time. This change allows the organism to better live and also use the environment. It's actually the population of a specific organism that is evolving. A population of organisms has variety, that is, differences between them. The environment allows those organisms with favored differences to make more offspring than those with other differences. After a while, the organisms in that population will be best adapted for the environment that they live in. See how this katydid has camouflaged itself. It has evolved to look like the leaves around it, so it can better escape the eye view of predators. This completes the characteristics of life, or properties of life.